Hey, I'm going to do an Kinder surprise egg. It's supposed to contain a Marvel hero. I done one a couple of weeks back that had Ghost Spider. She's over there somewhere, I can't find her. But I'm not bothered, so let's see what this is. The thing is, I can never seem to open them straight away. That would strike me as being a bit difficult. Yeah. Actually easier than I thought. And like I said, I love the chocolate in these anyways. Enough to give me a taste of chocolate. So I'm going to be eating that bit now. Let's see what's inside here. I'll get another bit of chocolate. You see how much trouble I have in opening it? Okay, there's no idea what this one's going to be. Go down there. Oh, it's the new Captain America. Captain America. Is it supposed to be the bird guy as well? Falcon, I think it was, wasn't it? Yeah. Well, we'll see how it goes. No idea how this is supposed to stand. I suppose I could look at the instructions. Looks as though it just stands on there. I actually preferred them when you had to assemble things. I mean, I know, alright, it's a wee thing like that on a stand. But I do prefer it when it's one of these wee things you assemble. That wasn't very good. Let's try again. So that's basically it. Kind of boring. But then again, hold on. Okay, there is some stickers to go on it, but I can't be bothered with the stickers. So that's some Captain America. Anyway, that's all there is to it. I can't seem to find the spider going. She must be climbing and making a web somewhere. Never mind.